Managing cookies in the Safari browser on your iPhone 16 helps protect your privacy and control how websites track your browsing behavior. Here's how to unblock or block all cookies in the iPhone 16 Safari app. First, go to the home screen and tap on the Settings app icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now, find Safari from the list of apps and then tap on it to proceed. Once you're in the Safari app settings, scroll to the bottom and tap on Advanced. In the Privacy section, find the Block All Cookies option. Once found, toggle the switch next to it to enable or disable the feature. When prompted, "Are you sure you want to block all cookies?" Tap Block All to confirm or cancel to keep cookies enabled. Note that when you block all cookies on your iPhone, websites will likely not function as expected, as they won't be able to remember your preferences, login information, or track your activity for features like shopping carts or personalized content. However, this can enhance your privacy by preventing websites from tracking your browsing activity and collecting your personal data. You can configure this setting at any time when needed by following the same steps to return to the Safari app browser settings. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more smartphone tips and tutorial videos like this one.